Welcome back to Kluger's Garage. I'm Kluger, and today we're going to make a bumper for cheap. Utilizing my old bumper, combined with about $90 worth of plate, we're going to make the ultimate frame chop bumper. The reason why I'm doing this, well, I don't know if you've seen those prices online, but those things are outrageous for frame chop bumpers. We're talking from $400 all the way up to $700, and then they come raw metal. And then if you have a Rubicon, a lot of them won't work anyway because you have that sway bar disconnect, fancy little yuppie button inside. So I figure instead of spending $700 on the bumper, having to bring it home, chop it up, and then paint it anyway, let's just go ahead and make it ourselves. I headed over to my local metal supply company. That's 3/16, and I got 6" by 4 foot. I got 4 of these. I figured that'd be enough, and then I have some left over for anything else. So my goal for this bumper is to get rid of that nasty bumper that I had before that's all crinkled up. Let's go to that clip. Well, that fucking sucks. Thankfully, it's not all up in my radiator. I don't think anything else is fucked up, so nobody was hurt, so that's a blessing. I know, sad day, I get it. But let's just look at the bright side. Now I get to make one, because I don't have any other projects going on. Almost. So if you guys are, in the market to buy a slightly used bumper, I got one here. It's fairly heavy duty. Yeah, give you a good deal on it. I'm going to cut here, fold that over, have it go along the side of the frame. Go ahead and box it in, and then I'll weld the plate and everything else on. This is what we got so far. It's a chop bumper, so you pretty much chop the frame off, stick it in closer. You get better approach angles, which is pretty dope. And I got this thing set up as close as I can without hitting my grill. So it should be pretty good there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these, fold it over. Sweet. So I got this guy set in there, I think the way I want it. Has a pretty cool look to it. Go ahead and match the other side. Really liking where this is going. I think I'm going to make another dimension here, so I'm going to go ahead and weld it up like this, throw it on there, see how she looks. Just a couple tack welds. I think it's coming along pretty good. Looks like it has plenty of coverage for that sway bar disconnect. I got wings! Go ahead and cut that at a appropriate angle and have her go back in, meet up with that frame mount. Yeah, boy, looking pretty rad. Watch out. Finally got my bumper on my rig. Got a new fair lead, got a new rope, so I'm good to go. I really like the new approach angle. Man, this thing is looking good. I'm super proud of it. It took me forever to get done because, well, I've been waiting for paint. I was going to go with this, I can't even remember. I'll go ahead and link it up here. I was going to go ahead with this bedliner type paint, and I still haven't arrived, or it still hasn't arrived yet. So that's sort of a bummer, but nonetheless, I think it looks pretty good with this gloss black Robar paint, and it should hold up all right, and it's definitely easy to touch up. So at this time, I think it's just time to stare at it.